Woohoo! It's new bike day for Marge. She finally getting an electric bike. Okay. Get this box out of the way. Here. You might have to cut some zip ties first before you can unfold it. Where's the cable clippers? All right there on the toolbox. Actually, you know what? Those are some nice zip ties. You want to show you a trick? Let me show you a trick. We can save those zip ties and reuse them for something else. Those are some nice big long zip ties. When I used to work at the bike shop, my boss, he taught me all you do, you want to save a zip tie and reuse it, is you take a pocket knife, take your pocket knife and you shove it right in there. See where that little tab is? Shove it underneath that tab. You get the end of the pocket knife underneath that tab, and it releases it. It releases that tab, and you can just pull the zip tie right out. See? Almost. See, now you got a free zip tie you can use. My boss was a cheapskate. He didn't want it. We had to repackage bikes all the time, and he wanted to keep all the zip ties so he didn't have to. He wanted us to, when we unpacked the bike, to redo the things. Of course, I guess when you're doing 300 and over 300 and something bikes at a time, then I guess every little penny pie counts. Unfold it. You might have to push that button. See, there's a button right there. Pull that button forward. There you go. Alright. Oh, you guess, yeah, you have to put the handlebars on. Okay, grab that seat post and put it in here, and we'll put it up in the rack. Hopefully this is not too heavy for the rack. Well, that's kind of weird. They put the seat post clamp's got to be crooked like that. You can't straighten it out because it's got to be right there where that... Okay, go ahead and flip that seat post closed. Let me tighten it here. Well, you got to flip it this way, see? Alright, let's throw this up in the rack. Oh, you don't even need no tools. There, flip that. And I think, yep. Oh, you know what? Here, undo that and flip it down first. Let's put it in there first, and then flip it back up. I think you got to push it. Yeah, you got to push this whole thing sideways. That's a safety thing. Now flip it. It's got to slide sideways. It's a safety thing, babe. See how that goes like that? That's sort of...
Okay, I got it though.
Right. Okay, turn this. Damn it. The hell? Is there a spacer? Oh, there's a spacer in there. That's why. You gotta get that spacer out of there. I think. Well, I guess it don't. What the hell? That's hard. Yeah, I'm going to pause the camera because I know this is going to take a while. She got it now. I got to get that straight. See, that's not quite straight. And probably want the handlebars all the way down though, huh? And tighten these. I know you can always put them up higher when you sit down on the ground and see where you want everything. But knowing you're so short, you probably got to have the handlebars all the way down. All right. Go ahead and put the pedals on. Here, let me get this cardboard box out of the way first. You got the right side? I'll get you the pedal wrench. You probably don't want to use their wrench, the wrenches that they gave you, because those are probably cheap. Here's the pedal wrench, babe. Let me slide behind you. You're okay. Here's the pedal wrench, babe. Use the pedal wrench. It's probably slip. Is it going in? Want me to do the other side? Why is it not going? See if you can get that started. I can't get it started. You got it started the other time. You gotta look at the arrow on there. The arrow's pointing this way, so you turn towards the front of the bike to twist it in. Threading in now. Here, I get the wrench on and get it in real quick. You got it? Okay. Does look like a nice bike. Well, you got a horn. I don't even have a horn on mine yet. I got to get the horn hooked up on. Get a horn hooked up on mine. You got your headlight button. Let's set it on the ground. You can sit on it and see where you got to get everything. I'm going to go through the gears real quick to make sure that your gears are shifting right. Okay, there's 7. Up. Oh, I guess it's 6. It's a 6-speed, but yeah. Little motor back there, but that's all you need for you. You're light. You don't need that much power. It's got a 500 watt hub motor. Not as powerful as mine, but she don't need that much power. She get too much power, she won't be able to handle it. But that's 500 watt, and it's got 3 levels of pedal assist. I think that's what it's got. Is it 3 or 4? I don't know. It didn't really say too much when on Amazon about how many levels of pedal assist it had, but you can turn the pedal assist down and everything to where. Oh yeah, it's got a little pedal assist sensor right there. There's your pedal assist sensor on that side. It's not a magnetic one. It's a one that actually rotates with the crank, I think. But yeah, looks good. What do you think of these grips though? They got the big thing. Is that something you're going to want to switch? Because it's got that big bump coming out the back. It's like, I don't know. You have to see if that's comfortable or not. The cable management on it's really nice. You know? Got really nice cable management. It's like those Warriors. Those ones we've seen on the videos. The Warrior bikes we were looking at. They got the Velcro cable management guide on it. Well, all right, get it on the ground and she can sit on it and see how it feels. See where we need to adjust the seat and the handlebars. Flip that seat forward just the way the seat on your scooter does, and then this slides in there. The key go. See how the rail is? The rail right there.
Yes.
That goes to the back.
Yes.
Okay. You got it.
I got it.
So watch out for your cord. Your cord's underneath it. The plug's underneath it. Okay, slide it all the way down. Oh, the cord. Oh, okay. I see what you're doing. Sorry. I didn't know what was happening. And then grab your keys. Yep, plug that in. And turn it back again once more. Or did you turn it back twice already? Okay. The key shouldn't come out. If you got it on, the key won't come out. Not coming on. Let me see. There you go. You got to turn it all the way back to the back of the bike. There, it's on. And see, let's look at the screen. Mode 1, Mode 2, Mode 3. 1. So you got 3 levels of pedal assist. There's the horn. Hit the headlight. See how bright that headlight is. Oh yeah. And then you got the tail light coming on. Hit your brake. See what it does. Hit a brake. Oh yeah. You got the brake light. Well, go get your shoes on and grab your helmet and let's go right around the block once.
My eye's hurting.
Your eye's hurting. Alright. Go and take the battery out. We'll put the battery inside and charge it inside. You got it? Okay, you got the plug. Okay. I see what you're doing. Plug first. You got to unlock it. You got to put your key back in and turn it all the way forward. All the way forward. Toward the front of the bike. Turn the key towards the front of the bike.
I did!
Okay.
How am I gonna run?
Alright, sorry. You know this is all on your video. Don't get mad. You're okay.
I'll walk out of here.
You might have to turn it forward and pull up at the same time. I don't know. Let me try it. No. Don't slide. Oh yeah, it's unlocked. See, watch, look. Yeah, it's locked. It's unlocked, so it should slide out of there. It's just a little. You know what I would do? I'd put a little grease on this rail, where it slides in and out easier. That's what I'd almost do. But here, take your keys. Let me wrap up the video for you.
Not even all the way back.
What do you think? You like it? This looks like it needed to be, seat needed to be lower for you, but that's as low as it will go. You'll get used to it. But yeah, it's got headlight, tail light, brake lights, all that. Alright, well, let's put the battery in it and turn it on and see what it does. And Marge just got to learn how to ride the bike and everything, take it slow so she can be safe on it and all that. But you made it this far. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.